Welcome back, parents and staff. Carlsbad Educational Foundation is grateful to support this incredible district. Believe it or not, we are one of the lowest funded unified school districts in San Diego County. Every year, we collaborate with the district and individual teachers to fill the gaps in program funding and to launch new ideas that impact students at every grade level.
We have things like Lego robotics happening in classrooms, field trips like coastal root farms, taking students to STEAM labs, and not only providing the teachers with support, but also materials to make those hands-on experiences just amazing and exciting for students. They want to give students that extra experience that they may not get during their school day. We're doing a lot with things with getting students to ask questions and let their questions drive the learning.
CEF supports arts, they support music, they support sciences, not just in my class, but across the district. And it makes a big difference in the lives of our kids and the way our students see their education and see what they are capable of doing.
Okay, push the button. Perfect, we're good. Nice job.
Partners like the Carlsbad Educational Foundation are critical for us providing an outstanding education to our students, and we really couldn't do the work that we do without CEF.
Students develop their sense of self and grow in their confidence. They explore science, music, the arts, and really figure out what they enjoy and what their passions are.
I love working for a school district that wants the best for students and is always student first. And the Carlsbad Education Foundation helps us meet that goal.